ZF400 CNC6 customized model, vertical gear hobbing machine. The machine operates on the generating method, demonstrating the process of machining cylindrical helical gears. It allows easy adjustment of the gear module, diameter, and the axial and longitudinal positions of the hob. A good hob can make you money because it eliminates hassle throughout the process. With a maximum hob spindle speed of 1,250 RPM, it is suitable for machining gears with a maximum module of 10 and a maximum workpiece diameter of 400 millimeters. We cut, we inspect, and we ensure high precision and surface finish for cylindrical helical gears.